camera. So we are unboxing this Hoover. So yes. What are you doing now?
I want to get Stanley, but he's gone.
Oh.
There we go, sorry.
So this goes there. So yes, we bought this. Where we bought this?
In Harvey Norman's.
Okay, we bought this in Harvey. And this is the name of the product.
Yeah, it's actually it doesn't say it there, but it's a Miele or Miele, whatever you like to call it. Fran actually took off the label here, but it's a Miele complete C3 cat and dog vacuum cleaner.
Yes.
So
it's not for the cat. It's not for the dog.
no,
It's for the surface.
it would be great if the dog could actually hoover up his own hairs, but we're still trying to invent that.
So we check our box.
Yeah.
So where is my tool for all this?
Oh, you can use the top drawer there, sweetie.
Top drawer.
Yeah. It's
And
in the.
use this.
Okay.
Tweet, tweet,
It's
tweet,
not Halloween or anything.
Halloween, yeah.
It actually is Halloween, but.
And then we do this. I don't know, I probably don't censor this for aggression or something. Okay, I don't know how to speak well my English.
She
It's
can
going to be a
speak
little.
fine.
I'm learning, you know. I'm learning. I'm in the learning curve.
We're all learning. Every day is a school day.
I'm learning curve for life. So ta-da! Now what are we going to do here? So we have. What's this? What's this? That's something.
Attachment of some sort.
And this is another thing.
Another. That's the head
Oh,
of the Hoover,
that's the head of the whole. That's the head.
or the vacuum cleaner if you want to get technical about
Yeah,
it.
we have this.
Because Hoover is just a brand.
Yes. So we have.
That's the hose.
That's the what?
Hose. No, not hole.
I have another head here.
Oh yeah, there's two separate heads. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
that's
Different surfaces probably.
Yeah, these have a paw here.
It has a what?
This paw.
A paw. And that's Charlie, by the way. And that's Stanley.
So this have
Very excited to see this Hoover in operation.
a paw, tiny paw there.
Just need to focus, baby. Just 1 second.
A paw.
Oh, let me go back. Come closer.
Paw.
How do you focus this thing?
I need to buy a better lens.
Yeah, it ain't focusing. It's still blurry. Okay. No. It's not going on for some reason. No. Oh, shame. We need to upgrade our equipment.
Yeah.
But anyway.
So we have two heads. Two heads.
Yeah.
Different heads.
Two vacuum heads for different surfaces, I would imagine.
We have two heads.
Maybe one for a hard surface, other for
We have
carpet, maybe. That's the hose.
the
Hose.
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 We have the hose. We have the hose. We have the chip.
Yeah, this is quite normal. She often bursts out into this song.
This is another hose.
No, that's not a hose.
Huh?
No.
What's that? We have
Is that a filter?
a filter. No, that's a
Piece of
box.
paper, alright, okay.
We have a box.
Yay, more rubbish!
Okay. So now the time has come for your lip sync. No, for the Hoover.
Oh, you want me to get that?
No.
Oh, I forgot. You're an Amazonian woman.
They're going to sue me for there's a copyright of no.
I don't think anyone's gonna sue you for that somehow.
Fighting with a box. Now. Yeah. Don't worry, we're going to do this.
Ooh. Ah, and there's the pièce de résistance. I can't even say the French. I can't even speak the French.
Have a beautiful burgundy color.
Yeah, it's a nice colour. Nice shiny burgundy colour that probably won't last for too long. Now Stanley is investigating it. He is the head supervisor. Make sure everything is sound before it starts to work in this house. Yes, I approve. I approve of this.
Yes. Well, so now I don't know the next steps for. I think it's okay. This is like that. This is like that. This is like. I think the next test.
Next test, yeah.
That we're going to do is when the function. No, I think that you're going to do that.
Oh.
Or do you want me to upload?
Well, we might. I was just doing an unboxing at the moment.
Yeah, that's an unboxing.
So another video, probably we will show you it in operation.
An operation.
Yeah, in operation, and go through the different programs that there is available to us with this little tiny little vacuum cleaner.
Well, that's everything. So
They're pretty big, aren't they, those heads, man? As long as they do a job. Oh, this camera.
So that's it. That's also.
Well, time to go.